What's up guys, this is Chimeze with ThoughtStack and welcome back to the What is New in Laravel 5.7 series. In the last video, we looked at Symfony DOM server. Today, we'll be looking at two new features of Laravel 5.7. The first one is the Paginator links customization. Behind the scene, I have created some dummy user data which you can work with. I have also created a user's route for displaying all the users in the database, as you can see. Now let's paginate this user data. Let's say we want to display 5 users per page. And this is the view for displaying the users. Give this a refresh. Now we have 5 users per page. Next, let's display the pagination links. There we have the links. By default, Laravel will display 3 links on each side of the active link. That is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. With the new Paginator links customization, we can now specify the number of links we want at either side of the active link. Let's say we want to display 4 links at either side. There are 2 ways we can go about that. The first one is directly inside the view, using the new on each side method. Then say we want to display 4. Come back and give this a refresh. And let's say we navigate to this. You can see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other way of achieving this is directly on the model. Let's first get rid of this. And head over to the route file and make use of the on each side method as well. Then we want 4 again. Give this a refresh. We should have the same result as earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This new feature can be handy when you have a large set of data to paginate. The next addition to Laravel 5.7 we'll be looking at in this video is the improved error messages for dynamic calls to eloquent models. Before Laravel 5.7, if you make a typo, say paginate instead of paginate, you will get an error message saying that this method does not exist on the query builder, which is somehow weird. But with this improvement, we now get a very concise error message. As you can see, call to undefined method paginates on the user model directly. So that's it guys. See you in the next video where we'll look at another features of Laravel 5.7. As always, remember to hit the subscribe button to be notified once the new videos are up. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments below the video.